initiating in the name of Allah, who's Rahman, Rahim, and Rabbil Alamin. So, dear leader, and my dear sir, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम।
So, today it's a very nice topic, that is the benefit of the mobile. That what is the benefit of mobile in this era? You know that who made the mobile, that he has done a very nice thing, that he has made the mobile. He gave the peoples many facilities he has given to peoples. For what? In the many things, for calling, for seeing some news, some information about the world. We are in a home that we get the all information from the one thing, that is the mobile. Now you know that the mobile is that machine. It means that computer. It is using it anyway. That it's a mind of people, that he can use it a good way or bad way. That he can use. Mobile device is that device that can use in for our facilities, for our benefit. Now you know that anything is being in a mobile. If there is any default, any things, you can search from the mobile. If you have no any books, any you are doubting any words, that you can search from the mobile. Any information in the world that we can search, that will tell the mobile. If mobile has been made that for our benefit, we can use it for benefit, but we are using it bad. It means that is made it for us, that we can get the benefit from it. Then why we are not getting the benefits? That is our mistake to recognize. It means we are not obeying their rules of mobiles. What is it means? How can use it? There is way to use the mobile. Always you can see that the British men, that they had the mad mobile. By what? That we can use it for the bad thing? No, for the benefit things. If example, now anything, you are going to buy anything, now it has been online. You can buy from the mobile many things. Any things that you have to buy from the mobile. Mobile gives you many benefits, but you are not getting from it. It's whose mistake? It's yours. That in the old era, the peoples want to get that device, that they face to face talk. Now it is that era that we are talking face to face, and they are means saying that their letters and going through another people, that they waited 5 or 10 days. For the reason, there has no any device that they have to tell the information and send the information. In the last, I should tell you that mobile has given you that you have to always get benefit from it. So these are my important points.